Okay, here we go with lesson 12. We're going to look at a problem where we're going to remodel, and we have a bunch of information, and we want to know, do we have enough money to do it? Okay, so you've decided to remodel your bathroom and install a tile 4. The bathroom is in the shape of a rectangle. And the floor measures 14 feet by 8 inches and 5 feet by 6 inches. Okay. Those are our two dimensions of the bathroom. The tiles we want to use cost $5 each. So that's an important piece of information, $5 each. Each tile measures 4 2/3 square feet. If you have $100 to spend, do you have enough money to complete the project? In order to do this, we need to make a plan. It's a lot of information. We want to know what I know, what we want to find out, and then how to find it. So let's start putting some information down that we know. First thing we know is that our bathroom is in the shape of a rectangle. And we know that the dimensions are 14 feet 8 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. And we can turn those into fractions pretty easily. Every foot has 12 inches. So the dimensions in fractional amounts would be 14 feet and 8/12 and by 5 feet 6/12. And I want to find the area of the bathroom. That's what I want to find. Okay. The next thing that I know is that one tile covers 4 2/3 square feet. Okay. I want to find out from that how many tiles it would take to cover the area of the bathroom. Okay. The last piece of information I know is that each tile costs $5. Okay. And if I know how many tiles, I can tell if I have enough money. Do I have enough? I have $100 to start with. That's another piece of information I have. Will my tiles cost more than $100? Now you can see that all this information kind of stacks. We want to know how many tiles so we can find the cost of each tile. We know the area of each tile to find the area of the bathroom. So let's start with the area of the bathroom. The area of the bathroom is a rectangle. That's the length times the width. So if we take our two dimensions, 14 and 8/12, which is the same as 2/3, times 5 and 6/12, which is the same as 1/2. I multiply those two together, and then I'll find the total area of the bathroom. When I multiply the two of those together, I get 44/3 times 11/12, which gives me 484/6, which converts to 80 2/3 square feet. Now that I know the total area, if I want to find out how many tiles, each tile is 4 2/3 square feet. So I'm going to divide the total area by the area of one tile. So 80 2/3 divided by 4 2/3. That's going to be 484/6, just going back to where I was, divided by 14/3. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply by 3/14. And when I do that, I'm going to get 484/28. And then doing the division on my calculator, that gives me 17.285, so about 18 tiles. Can't do 17 tiles because that wouldn't give me enough, so about 18 tiles. Do I have enough money? If I have 18 tiles and each tile costs $5, I multiply the two of them together. 18 times 5 gives me 90. And that's going to see that's less than 100, so I will have enough. Now take a look at exercise and see if you can figure out which car goes further on 1 gallon of gas, the blue car or the red car. The blue car travels 18 2/5 miles using 0.8 of a gallon of gas. The red car goes 17 2/5 miles using 75 hundredths of a gallon of gas. Just divide to find the unit rates.